Today we're going to talk about subtraction. Subtraction has a couple of different words, and one of the words we use is minus or take away. But here's what, we do subtraction all the time. Look at these adorable, cute little apples. So here is my pile. I have 5 apples in my hand. But what happens if I eat one? Delicious, I can't even wait. Really good. Well, I had 5 apples, but then I ate one. So do I still have 5 apples? No. I only have 4. Guess what? We can do these with numbers. My apples are rolling away. We can do these with numbers. I can say I had 5 apples, but then I ate one. So I'm going to take one away with my digits and my numbers, and then I had 4 left. So I had 5, I took one away by eating it, and now I have 4 left. I can draw a picture of this. I can draw 5 apples. Now, my picture isn't really important. What's important is my thinking. The picture is a tool to help me with my thinking. So I had 5. I took one away because I ate it, and now I have 4 left. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Now, what would have happened if instead of eating just one, I was really hungry? And they are pretty little. So if I had 5 and I ate 3 of them, I would say 5 minus 3 because the 3 were now in my tummy. So here I would take 1, 2, I would take 3 away, and that would leave me with 2. This is subtraction. We say 5 minus 3 equals 2. It's the same as saying 5 apples minus the 3 apples I ate means that there are 2 apples left over. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. All right, so today we're talking about subtraction, and specifically subtraction when there are 2 digits, like the number 25. So here is my 25. My 5 is in the ones place. I have 5 of the ones, but over here I have a digit in the tens place showing me that I have 2 groups of 10. Now, what happens if I'm going to subtract 13? I want to take away 13 of these. Well, that is easy to do. The trick, though, is to start with the right. That's the right way in math. Let's say that together. Start with the right. That's the right way in math. Start with the right. That's the right way in math. Okay, so I'm starting with the right. I want to make sure I start with my ones place first. It's so important, I promise. Start with the right. So here is 5. I'm going to take these 3 away. Here's my 13. And I see that I had these 2 left. So here, I'm not going to write it over on here because we're only dealing with the ones place right now. In fact, you know what I could do? I could draw these dots to remind me to separate the tens and the ones. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. But over here, I still need to take care of this 10. So I started with 2 groups of 10. Here's this 10. Here's my 13 right here. And so I'm going to have 1 left. Let's look at this all together. So I started with 25. I'm going to take away this 13. Here's my 10. 11, 12, 13. Do I have 12 left? Yes, this showed me that I have 12 left. Should we do another one? All right, let's see. This time, how about we have 40? How about, what is this? 46. Well, let me start with my beginning place. I have 46, and this time I want to take away 21. Now, it would be really easy to go like this, 20 and 1. And then this would be the difference. It would be the answer, correct? We call the answer for subtraction the difference. But let's pretend that we're not going to take that right away. Let's go ahead and start with the right because that's the right way in math. So I'm making sure that I'm taking care of my ones first. Here's my 6. 6 minus 1 equals 5. Then over here, I have 4. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So now let's try it by actually taking the blocks away. 6 minus 1, move it over here, and then 4 minus 2. So here is the 21 I've taken away, and this is what's left, 25. Here's my 2 groups of 10, and here's my 5. The trick is that you start with the right, that's the right way. All right, second grade, let's get ready to do some subtraction. 42 minus 28. I think you remember what we were doing before this extended vacation, and I think you're going to do great at it. Okay, so let's start with the right. That's the right way. In our ones place, we have 2 minus 8. I can't do that. If I have 2 apples, I cannot eat 8 apples. And here, if I have 2 little squares, can I take 8 away? You know what I have to do. I need to exchange those. So I'm going to take one of these groups. I'm going to drive him over here. And he's 10, isn't he? So let me get 10 of the ones. Over here, let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. So now, over here, this 4 becomes 3 because I exchanged this little guy. But now this 2 is not just 2 anymore. It's 12. So now I'm ready to take 8 away. I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take those guys away because now I have 4 left in my ones place. Over here, my 4, remember, became a 3 because this guy had to get exchanged. And so here, 3 minus 2 equals 1. Let's make sure we did that. 3 take away 2 equals 1. So look what's left. Only 14. And we just practiced our subtraction. Great job!